Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about one of the most useful and required item for your car. This is GFX permanent mats, lifelong mats. Beauty of these mats is they are computer designed and well fit with your car design. If you see, even though I have a full matting, so these mats are doing really good job. So you can simply install, and even the cleaning is also very easy with these mats. So if you see, this is the rear one, so where you can cover the each and every corner, and these mats are very easy to manage, and you will get a good life of these mats, rather than you spending a lot of money in buying multiple different mats multiple times. Also, cleaning also very easy. If you have a car vacuum cleaner, you can easily clean the dust, and also with the wet cloth you can just wipe the. Also with a simple wet cloth you can wipe it, and you will get a new look. I have installed them like a week back. If you see, it will enhance the car interior look as well. So driver side, if you see, so they have a clean design. So whenever you are buying them, please be sure that you are buying for the same year model. And for automatic also you have a different one, and EV they have a different model. So whenever you are buying them from the open market, please ask for the specific model. Okay, so cleaning is very easy with these mats. So you can just wipe it with a cloth, or you can just wash it under the tap. The design is pretty clear, so there is no additional cuts or shapes. So this will exactly fit with your car, because these are specifically made for the car. Removing these mats also very easy. So you can just simply take off, and you can just clean them. And even I can install them with a single hand. So it will just fix it. So I hope this video is useful. Buy one for your car and enhance your car interior look. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.